tornado. Hey, storm chasers. It's beautiful.
That is
I know, I love it.
Is that Brindley?
Huh?
That looks like Jennifer Brindley.
I don't know. Let's see.
Wow.
Let's get over here in the grass. Yay! Oh my God! We got a tornado. We got a tornado.
Let's fucking get out.
God damn. Yes, girl. This is exciting.
That was beautiful.
What's up, guys? In chat, we got one.
Where do they come?
What is that?
I don't know.
It
It's
is
beautiful.
amazing. Loving it.
I pinpointed as people were driving. I'm like, I got it when it was roped out.
Yeah.
Oh my God, this is so awesome.
I
And
know.
my car keeps overheating, so I
Oh,
couldn't
no.
move.
Oh no.
Looks like it might try to drop another one.
I was like,
Oh, I think something's on the ground again.
It is right
It's
there.
on the ground again.
Woo!
Number 2, baby.
yeah.
Oh, it looks like it's gonna be a big one.
I wish we could drive across the field.
I know.
I got
Without
photos
getting
there.
Is there
stuck.
like a road that way?
No.
No road that way, really?
Wow.
Good.
That is so cool.
Oh, there would be something.
I gotta take pictures of this too.
Damn,
That is gorgeous.
that is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. I wish we could be closer. I'm sure everyone else has got better shots.
Yeah, but hey, this is good enough for me. This is what we drove all the way down here for.
So y'all both from Tennessee?
No, I'm from Nebraska. I'm from here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna go back and see. Hey, boss. See, I told you I wanted to catch tornadoes. See? That's why you let me off work, so I